In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Docs spreadsheet. To get started, the first thing you need to do is choose how you want to create it. Open Google Drive, then look to the left side of the screen and click the New button. From there, select Google Sheets to open a blank spreadsheet. This is the fastest option if you want to build something from scratch. If you already know you need a certain type of layout, you can also use the template gallery. That's a great choice if you want a head start with something like a budget, a planner, or an invoice, because the basic structure is already prepared for you. Once your spreadsheet opens, the next step is to give your file a clear name. In the top left corner, you'll see the default title that usually says Untitled Spreadsheet. Click on that text and type in the name you want. It's a simple step, but it's very important because it helps you stay organized and makes the file easier to find later in Google Drive. Try to use a name that clearly describes what the spreadsheet is for, especially if you create a lot of documents. After that, you are ready to enter your data. Click on any cell in the spreadsheet and start typing. Each cell is like a small box where you can place text, numbers, dates, or other information. When you finish typing in a cell, press Enter to confirm it. If you want to create multiple lines within the same cell instead of moving to the next one, use Ctrl+Enter on Windows or Command+Enter on Mac. This can be especially useful when you want to add notes or format information neatly inside a single space. One helpful thing to remember is that your work saves automatically as you go. You don't need to manually click a Save button because Google Sheets updates your progress in real time. That means you can focus on entering and organizing your information without worrying about losing changes. It's also very convenient if you step away and come back later, since your spreadsheet will still be there exactly as you left it. And that's all it takes to create a Google spreadsheet. Name it and start adding your information. Once you get comfortable with these basics, working in Sheets becomes quick and easy. Thanks for watching.